Dear homeopathic lover, I am Dr. Anwarul Haq from Mograhat. Today I learn with you the clinical symptom, the taste, bowels, pain, tendency, discharge, pulse, nail, mental and disease tendency of SORA, psychosis, syphilis and tubercular myasm. We know about 4 myasm and identification to the help of proper homeopathic selected medicine. Clinically, SORA is scanty or hypo. Clinically, psychosis is hyper or profuse. Clinically, syphilis is dystrophy or ulcer. Clinically, tubercular is allergic or hemorrhagic. Taste of SORA, burnt. Taste of psychotic, fishy. Taste of syphilis, metallic. Taste of tubercular, pus-like. Bowel symptoms of SORA, constipated. Bowel symptoms of psychosis, diarrhea. Bowel symptoms of syphilis, dysentery. Bowel symptoms of tubercular, melena. Pain symptoms of SORA, nerve pain. Psychosis, joint pain. Syphilis, bone pain. And tubercular, pain with weakness or exhaustion. Tendency of SORA, eruptive. Tendency of psychosis, rheumatic. Tendency of syphilis, suppurative. Tendency of tubercular, hemorrhagic. Discharge of SORA, watery. Discharge of psychosis, sticky. Discharge of syphilis, offensive. Discharge of tubercular, bloody. Pulse of SORA, bradycardia. Pulse of psychosis, tachycardia. Pulse of syphilis, irregular. Pulse of tubercular, nothing particular or sometimes changeable. Nail of SORA, dry, rough. Nail of psychosis, thick, convex. Nail of syphilis, thin, concave. Nail of tubercular, glossy. Mental symptoms of SORA, lazy. Mental symptoms of psychosis, nervous. Syphilis, destructive. Tubercular, laborious. Thank you for